Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I will start a new topic that is called cell script. In cell script, I will write a program. It will accept a markup of 4 subjects and find the total and find the average. Then find the average, and after find out the average mark, it will be calculated that which student have occurred which grade. Okay, that means you have enter the 4 mark of a student, and it will be find the total mark, and then after it will find the average. Okay, by dividing 4, and then after it will check which grade student has obtaining. So now I will write the program. You just see it. Okay, I will be write. Suppose has write a program in cell script. Okay, cell script. It accept mark of 4 subjects and find total and average. Then calculate the grade. Okay, so here I will enter suppose echo. Okay, enter mark of 4 subject. Then read M1, M2, M3, M4. Then what to write? Now total is equal to EXPR expression dollar M1, okay, plus dollar M2 plus dollar M3 plus dollar, okay, dollar M4. Okay, then echo total mark is 8. Okay, then we write the dollar total. Okay, then I will next I will find the average. Then what will write here? Average is equal to, okay, you will be write echo, okay, you will be write dollar total, okay, then you will be write, this is the divide symbol, then you will be write, okay, 4, then you will be write BC minus L for find out the floating value. Okay, so then what to write? You will write echo average mark is, okay, you will write, okay, dollar AVG. Then what to write? If. Then we will calculate the grade. So before that I will be print and I will check whether it is working or not. You just see, check it. Okay, you will write bash cell. Okay, then I will be enter suppose 50, 670, 80. Oh sorry, I will write 50, 40, 70, 80 and 50. Okay, total like this. So now I will be find out the what na grade. So here you will write if, okay, dollar, okay, AVG, okay, if dollar AVG minus GT greater than, okay, suppose 90 minus A and dollar AVG, okay, minus LE 100. So this is called what? Now echo, then, okay, then you will be write, okay, echo which grade obtained? Now dollar O outstanding, okay, O, okay, then LCIF LIF, okay, LIF dollar, okay, AVG, okay, minus GT 80, okay, and minus A and dollar AVG minus LE what na 90. Then what will write? Then we will write eco. Okay, which grade? We will write the E grade. Okay, E same as LEAV. Well, LEAV dollar AVG okay minus GT suppose 70 okay and dollar AVG okay minus LE suppose 80 okay you will write FP then suppose you write eco okay B okay then LEAV okay LEAV dollar AVG okay minus GT okay 60 okay minus A and dollar AVG okay minus LE okay 70 okay then we will write then okay eco suppose C grade C okay else below 60 suppose eco you can write also okay D grade okay so then I'll be close the FI okay then I'll be run this program you just see okay I'll be close this then I'll be run okay GCC okay bash cell will be write okay then enter subject suppose 40 60 80 90 okay then after click you can find it will display the integer expression. I will give you 1 minute to think why this error occur. Okay, what you write here, it is error in display here. Okay, integer expression. That means what? Now this is actually float type value. So your calculation does not compare. Okay, your logical operator, मतलब greater than less than cannot be compare your your relational operator cannot be compare one floating value with an integer value. So it is written integer expression. That means you to 67 you should have, if will be convert into 68 or 67, then it can be perform or it can be compared with each other between two expressions. Because of okay, this is the 67. That means this 67 is the floating value, 90 is the integer. So it is written integer expression constant expected. So what will do? You will be convert into integer type. So how to convert it? You will be write okay. You will be write average. You will again what to write here? Now echo. You will be write echo. Then you will be write okay. You will be write dollar. You will be write dollar. First you will write dollar. Okay, then you will be start the curly braces. You will be write average. Okay, average. Then you will be give the percentage symbol. Then you will be give the dot. Okay, then you will be give the star symbol asterisk. Okay, then you will be close the bracket. Then this symbol is used to convert the from decimal or floating value to integer value. Okay, then I will see whether it is working or not. You just see it. Okay, so here like to bash. Okay, I will be enter 50 70 80 and 90. Okay, then it will be convert the total mark in 292 and average mark it will be okay, it will not display any error, and average mark you can find 72, and which grade it has obtained? B grade has obtained. So for better display you can write also here okay obtained. Okay, obtained, these things will be right. Then it will be, you can find, you can display the output clearly. Okay, so here okay, I will be write this. Okay, so here I will write this. Okay, then here I will also write this. Okay, then you see it whether it is working or not. Okay, then I will make it clear. Okay, so then bus, enter subject 50, 70, 80 and 90. You remember, you give the input in one line, not line after line. Okay, that means it will be obtain the which grade? Na 60, 62 means it is C grade, and below 60 it is a D grade. Okay, so I think you have understood properly. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment section. If you have a new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, bye, thank you.